My name's Clarke. I'm an artist. I create things with willow, both dried and living. I also use thread and cane, and I combine ceramics with my work as well. I generally make abstract shapes, both large shapes for public areas and smaller work for interiors, galleries and commissions. I think I was always one of those kids that had to touch things and make things. I used to drive my mum mad making a mess, and I loved drawing. I sort of got into drawing, and by the time I got to secondary school, a really good art teacher introduced me to clay, and that really got me into 3D materials. I realised something clicked and I absolutely loved it. I really loved making and found it really sort of joyful and satisfying. But then to actually be able to inspire others to do that as well, I really got a lot from that, and I found that it really inspired my own work. So it's a really satisfying sort of two-way process.